Hello friend, in this video I go to show how to use the Deep Seek model in your Windows computer with a web face and everything's for free. You can run this amazing model. Everybody talk about this right now, and let's try to use in the local for free. So let's go to start this project. For this video, we need to have the Ollama. Ollama is an app to help us to run models in the local machine, and you have the app for Mac, Linux and Windows. So I go to use my Windows machine, and you just click in here, they go to download the file, you just run, and next. After you have your Ollama up and running your computer, you need to choose a model. So I have the DeepSeek models for Ollama here. I downloaded the 1.5, 7 and 14. So you go to test that in my machine. While you run that in your computer, after you have Ollama running your computer, you just go in here in the terminal and run. Now I just have that and running and say hi, they think, and answer you back. And let's run this prompt in here and see what the answer they give us. More big the model will be, more training they have, and the better answer they give to you. So I don't know what they give me the answers in here. I really don't think that's the Kubernetes. Then now close it what I want to. So let me stop in here. Let's try to do that in the Control D. You can close. Okay, let's try another model, the 7B, and I show like the resource they go to use for my computer right now. They running now. Enter. That's all the resource they use in my computer right now. And nice for this model, they have this little time in here. They think like us and try to build them. Oh nice, they start to create a YAML file for us for deployment with Nginx. Put it like a resource limits, they put the port. That's look promising for me. These ones that looks pretty good. I don't know, like that's the best ones, but that's okay. So Control D. Okay, let's run the 14B. Let's put it the same prompt and let's see the answer. This one they go choose more resource because it's a huge one, but you can see like my CPU go up and down. The GPU they use a lot of GPU, but memory they don't use a lot. But you can see they consume a lot of like my resource for this computer. This computer is a gaming computer, but you see they start to go a little slow for the answer, but I know they go to give it a better answer for us in this one. So I'm waiting for finish and I show you guys the result. Okay, the 14 they give me a demo file, have a lot of things, good things, labels. They put the container ports, they put the resource limit for CPU and memory, put the request CPU and memory, put the node selector, that's a good thing, and they create a volume for us. So you have a better answer, but that's use a lot of resource for my computer if you see here. So let's stop use this terminal and let's use a Docker to see a nice interface so you can use this model in the browser in local. Okay, before you run this command, double check if you have Docker running your computer and the Ollama is running in your computer too. So you just need these two things running and enter. With this command, you open the browser and the port 300 out, they go to ask about your email and you need to put your password in here. If you see I have the model, I just use I go to try to use the 14B and see what's the result I have for this. Create a Docker command to run an Nginx container in this attach mode. The container should map port 80 for inside the container to port 80 on the host and be named by my Nginx. Okay, let's see what they give me. And they continue using a lot of CPU and a lot of GPU, but it's more CPU than GPU. Let's wait for the answer. Okay, they use a lot of GPU for my computer and a lot of CPU. They use a lot of resource. This is the truth. This model, they use a lot of resource for the computer. So if you come back, let's see the information they give us. They give you answers, right answers for that. They give like the command in the end. That's a good thing. So if I copy here, go to the terminal, paste. I just go to change the port in here for 89. I'm using the 8080 for another container. Now if you go to the local host and try port 89, that's working fine. The command they give us, that's a valid command and working fine. That's it. That's the easy way how to install DeepSeek in Windows machine use Olama to run that to local, and use all the resources you have in your computer. That's use all the resources I have in my computer. I don't know if in the audio you can listen the fan. The fan is like run so fast, and my studio is hot, so you have a lot of heat in here right now when you try to use this model. That's my conclusion. It's a good model, but you need to have a lot of resources in your computer to run the local. If you don't have a lot of resources, don't try, because they use a lot of resources. All the information for do this demo will be in my blog post, so just click in the link in the description for this video. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, share, and I see you in the next one.